Want to grow your website traffic with SEO? Better yet, want new customers and revenue from your SEO efforts? Hey, I'm Connor Gillivan, owner and founder of TrioSEO. I've been an entrepreneur for the past 15 years and running SEO for my own businesses for the past 10. From 2015 to 2019, I scaled one of my businesses, FreeUp, from $0 to $12 million in yearly revenue using SEO and a number of other digital marketing tactics. Today, I'm building a portfolio of B2B businesses, and TrioSEO is one of them. TrioSEO is a monthly SEO content service that caters to digital agencies, software companies, and other online B2B businesses looking to grow their traffic and revenue using SEO. Here's what makes us unique. Number one, we've done this for our own companies. We've walked the walk, we've talked the talk. We have the experience to back up this service, and now we're doing it for a handful of clients that are happy with our services, and we're growing their website traffic on a monthly basis. Number two, we're obsessed with strong communication. We've seen from a lot of agencies that we've hired in the past that the communication just isn't there. We can't get in touch with them, they don't answer questions quickly, it's frustrating to work with them, and we end up doing it ourselves. When we started TrioSEO, we knew we wanted to do it different. We wanted strong communication, fast replies, and we wanted our clients to feel like we were a part of their business. So if you work with TrioSEO, know that you're going to get quick replies, fast communication, and you're going to be able to come to us with any questions you have about your SEO, about your content, and about your digital marketing. Number three, we're results focused. We've run our own businesses, and we know that you can't just drive traffic and not get revenue and not get leads. So that's something that we do with our clients. We make sure that we're going after bottom of funnel, middle of funnel content first, and we're trying to drive qualified traffic to their website that has a good chance of turning into leads and revenue for their business. For some of our larger clients where we've maxed out bottom of funnel and middle of funnel, we go after top of funnel content to establish them as subject matter experts in their industry. In this video, I want to give you 4 quick ways that you can grow your website traffic with SEO, just to show you a little bit of what we do at TrioSEO. Number 1, target low keyword difficulty and low to medium volume keywords. So these are keywords that are easier to rank for, they don't have as much competition, they don't have as much volume either, but they're going to bring the right people to your site, and your site's gonna have a good chance of ranking for them quickly as long as you're producing high quality content. Number 2, produce high quality content that focuses on EAT. Google's EAT measurement stands for experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. These are 4 factors that Google looks for when they're ranking content and putting it at the top of Google search results for specific keywords. You want to make sure that you don't compromise quality and you're always hitting EAT with all of your content. Number 3, internal link all of your website. Internal links are links from one page to another on your website. It could be your home page to a blog. It could be a blog to your pricing page. Whatever it is, it's links that are bringing together your website, and it's showing Google that all of these things are related, and it makes it super easy for them to crawl the website and see what you're all about. From a user's perspective, it also makes it simple for them to be able to go from one place to the other. So if they come into a blog article, they easily then get pushed over to your pricing page, which takes them to your home page, which takes them to a lead magnet. So all these internal links move users through your website easily, and they never get stuck and leave and go back and go to another website. Number 4 is find pages that are ranking number 10 to 50 for specific keywords. Go back to that page, look at the content, and improve it so that you can rank higher and drive more SEO traffic with that page. A lot of people forget to do this, and they just publish content over and over and over, and they never come back to it. They never look at the rankings, they never look at the data, and they ignore the analytics. This is a big problem in SEO and something that most overlook. It's one of the big ways we help our clients at TrioSEO. So if you want more SEO tips and advice like this, subscribe to this channel. We're going to come through with weekly SEO advice from myself and my business partners, Nathan Hirsch and Steven Schneider. And if you want more SEO traffic, leads, and revenue, and you're interested in working with us, or even just getting a free SEO website audit, Go ahead and click the link down below, fill out your information. We'll run a full SEO audit of your website. We'll look at what's working, what's not, what's the strengths, what's the weaknesses, and we'll also put together a list of new keyword opportunities that we would go after if we were running SEO for your website. See you in the next video.